breaking news, breaking news. We interrupt this New York series of vlogs and soon to be unboxings to bring you breaking autumn 24 from Ffern. Normal service will be resumed after this video. Normal New York service, which is not normal service, but normal New York service will be resumed after this video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about because you came here for the perfume, I will have my New York 2024 playlist linked down below. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today is the day we're going to get into the Autumn 24 new fragrance from Ffern. First up, I have many apologies to make. I feel like rubbish. I'm getting over COVID. My third dose, brilliant, thank you very much. If I sound weird, that's why. I'm going to try and cut out any coughing or splattering or anything like that. And also if I feel lackluster doing this, I don't feel great still, I'm getting better. Thank you everyone on Instagram and on YouTube for well wishes and all of that kind of stuff. I really do appreciate it, as I've been thrashing around and festering and feeling very sorry for myself. So I had to do this video now because it's time sensitive, because Ffern have released their Autumn 24 fragrance. I've had this for a week, and if you've watched my previous Ffern unboxings, you'll know I discovered to my cost that there's only a 2-week turnaround where you can actually send this back if you don't like it, and we'll get into that in a second. I lost my sense of smell and taste the day before this arrived, so it is Thursday, this arrived last Thursday. Last Wednesday I lost my sense of taste and smell, and that's been gradually coming back over the course of Tuesday, Wednesday this week. So let's get into the box. Exactly the same as always, the box, and it just tells you at the bottom there on the sticker that this is Autumn 24. And if you are new to this, then Ffern is a small batch perfume maker, fragrance maker, and they make 4 fragrances a year. It's seasonal, so you've got autumn, winter, spring and summer, and it comes in this box with some bits and pieces which we will also get into. So there's this kind of little ticket thing. We had one of these in the last one. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny, and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and I usually look and sound a lot better than this, so sorry about that, kids. Needs must. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, including small batch, limited, exclusive perfumery, then get on down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This will be the illustration and a little bit of notes about it. The actual perfume itself, the bottle sits in this box here that comes out, but in this box here we'll have a sample which we try, and they send out a sample with every fragrance, so you get the chance to try it before you open this, because once you've opened this you can't send this back. But if you tried the sample and you don't like it, you can send this back untouched, and they'll either put a refund on your account towards your next one, or if you ask for it they'll give you an actual refund. And the reason they'll put a credit on your account for the next one is because this is basically a subscription service. It's a small batch. You have to get onto the ledger, and there's a waiting list to get onto the ledger, but as people come off the ledger, others are invited to join the ledger, and then once you're on it they will just send you this every season, this new fragrance every season, and they will bill you straight away, so you don't have to do anything. You just need to be on it if you want to send it back. So as usual, I will have pictures of these things on the screen to save me shonky film camera work. This is either my 6th or 7th Ffern fragrance. I have kept 3. I've sent 2 back and I sold 1 that I wasn't quick enough to return. This is Winter 24 and you can see how much I've used these. I really do like these fragrances. This is summer. Whoa, a bit shaky still. I think this was summer 24. There we go. And then this one was spring 23. So you can see I use these. I keep these, they're in my office. They're near my desk so I can have a little spritz throughout the day. And in this little package here we've got the bits. We usually get a tea or something. What is this? This is, yes, it's the autumn tea. So this is a loose tea. I don't know, I've never opened these because I'm not into floral teas. You've got your terracotta little disky thing, you spray this and then it sort of releases. It's like a diffuser. I've used those in the past and they've been pretty good. Some more information. The little spray things that you're supposed to spray on, but I prefer to spray directly onto my skin because that's where the magic or anti-magic happens. Now I'm going to spray this on and then we'll have a look through the tasting notes and everything. And I will say my girl April, when she received hers, she sent me a couple of little videos of her trying this and describing the scents. So, dodgy sense of smell aside, I am already thinking this could be a winner. It could be a keep. I'm hoping to get this video out same day as well, so wish me luck with that. Okay, so that is sprayed on. Let's have a look at the tasting notes. Okay, these are the tasting notes. We've got saffron, caraway seed, aniseed, olibanum, blood orange rind and grapefruit rind. Those are the scents that hit me straight away. And then we've got carrot seed, davana, coriander seed, Jamaica pimento, neroli, jasmine grandiflorum, nutmeg and bergamot rind. And then the base notes are myrrh, oakwood, liatrix leaf, that's a new one on me, brown-eyed rock rose, benzoin, siam, red cedar, patchouli and vetiver root. So I would say the first thing that really hits me is that kind of grapefruit, that kind of citrus rind, that almost sort of dried out citrus rind. Very nice. I think April described it as a kind of a potpourri kind of scent, and I get where she's coming from that. And I'm hoping that I'm picking up all of the flavour notes here, but that remains to be seen. So far, instant dried citrus rind, yes, absolutely. And then it very quickly settles into that kind of nutmeggy kind of thing. Ugh. Let's open up this and see what the illustration is. That's the little illustration on the front. A couple of pears, a fig, and this opens out, so a bit more information there. Again, I'll have this photographed on the screen, and there's a little bit of blurb there about inspiration, where it comes from, the journey of the fragrance and everything. Again, I'll have that up on the screen. And this is Still Life with Provençal Quinces. Oh, it's quinces, not pears, by Ffern artist Jamie Beck, Ffern 2024. That's the illustration. The release schedule here. So seasonal, as I mentioned. Autumn 24 equinox, that's the 22nd of September. It is the 25th now, so this arrived just in time for the autumn equinox. And then we've got winter 25 will be the solstice on the 21st of December. Then we've got spring 25, which will be the 20th of March for the equinox. And then summer 25 will hit the solstice on the 21st of June 2025. What's it dying down to? What's it dying down to? It's that kind of grapefruit and blood orange rind has kind of disappeared. What am I picking up now? Bergamot and vetiver and stuff like that. I'm not very good at identifying, so sorry about that. And neroli. Jasmine. Yes, I'm getting rid of the jasmine. Now I was hopeful when April mentioned about the coriander seed that it would be quite coriander-y, because I love coriander. In the UK we just call it coriander and coriander seed, so coriander leaf and coriander seed. In the US you call it cilantro and then coriander for the seed, but we just call it coriander for everything. So it is my favourite scent in the entire history of herbs ever. But I'm not getting a lot of that. The nutmeg has died down as well. I'm left with, what do you know? I don't know. It's just coming up for lunchtime, so I'm going to ask the lion what he thinks of it. It could just be that my smell is up the spout, but what I will do is I'll have another spritz, I'll go about my day, and I will pop in a little update shot after work to say how I'm feeling about it. I think I'm getting carrot seed. I think I'm getting carrot. Well, it's an interesting one. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be doing this Ffern subscription, because the last few, the ones that I have, I absolutely adore and use all the time, throughout the day. Spritz, oh, uplifting, love it. Love the fact that it's not that kind of cloying, really strong perfume that you can find sometimes in the higher end perfumes. I don't know how much longer I'm going to continue doing this, because the ones I've got I love, but the more recent ones, so Winter 24 is the last one I kept, and that means I've skipped spring and I've skipped summer. This could be me skipping another season, I don't know. I will come back and I will give you a little update a bit further on in the day. Hi, it is end of day. I've started editing this video, and I've used a fair amount of it today throughout the course of the day, and I'm still really uncertain about it. I asked the lion's opinion as well, and I was like, I think it's giving me like amaretto sour scents. And he said, not specifically, but it does smell boozy, so maybe an Alabama Slammer. Maybe that's what I'm getting, because it's got that little bit of orange to it and everything. So, I don't know. I really don't know what's going to happen with this one. At the moment, I feel like I just smell a bit like carrot cake. Is that a good thing? Depends on how much you like carrot cake. It is very different from the other ones recently, so it does have that going for it, but I don't know if I like it. I can't make it out, so I don't know if I like it. I think this one's going to go back. If you're on the ledger and you've received your Autumn 24, get down in the comments section and let me know your thoughts on it. Do you like it? Do you find it different from the previous ones? This does smell different from the previous spring and summer, which I felt smelt quite similar to other fragrances that I'd had from Ffern, which is why I returned to them. But let me know your thoughts, I'm really interested. And if you have been on the ledger but you bailed, let me know why as well. I hope you found this somewhat interesting and helpful, maybe, perhaps not. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!